Ever wondered how natural proteins can help in muscle growth? Let's start at the beginning. Proteins are like the building blocks of our body. They're crucial for the structure, function, and regulation of our body's tissues and organs. There are different types of proteins, each with their unique roles. Some proteins are involved in immune response, while others are essential for the structure and function of cells. But today, we're focusing on the proteins that are vital for muscle growth. These proteins are called structural proteins, and they make up a significant portion of our muscle tissue. They're like the bricks and mortar that construct and maintain our muscles. Without them, our muscles wouldn't be able to grow or repair themselves, which is particularly important for those who are active or exercise regularly. Now that we understand what proteins are and their importance in the body, we can move on to how they help in muscle growth. Proteins are the building blocks of our muscles, but how exactly do they contribute to muscle growth? To answer this question, let's first understand the process of muscle growth. It's a fascinating process that happens in the body every day, especially if you're someone who exercises regularly. When you perform a physical activity, particularly strength training or resistance exercises, you create microscopic tears in your muscle fibers. Now don't be alarmed, these tiny tears are entirely normal and are in fact crucial for muscle growth. This is because when these micro tears occur, your body responds by repairing the damaged muscle fibers through a cellular process, where it fuses muscle fibers together to form new muscle protein strands or myofibrils. These repaired myofibrils increase in thickness and number to create muscle growth. This process is known as muscle protein synthesis. Now, where do proteins come into play? Well, proteins are the key player in this muscle repair and building process. Proteins are made up of amino acids, often referred to as the building blocks of proteins. When you consume protein, your body breaks it down into these individual amino acids, which are then used to repair and rebuild the damaged muscle fibers, leading to muscle growth. Remember, this process does not happen while you're still pumping iron at the gym. Instead, it occurs during periods of rest. That's why it's so important to give your body time to recover and refuel after a workout. Furthermore, the amount of protein you need depends on several factors, including your weight, age, and the intensity of your workout. But, as a general rule of thumb, if you're looking to build muscle, you should aim to consume around 1 gram of protein for every pound of your body weight each day. So as we can see, proteins play a crucial role in muscle growth by repairing and building muscle tissues. Now, there are different sources of proteins, but natural proteins are the best for muscle growth. Why is that? Well, it's pretty straightforward. Natural proteins are incredibly beneficial for muscle growth for a variety of reasons. The first of these is that natural proteins are more easily absorbed by the body. This means that when you consume natural proteins, your body can make use of these proteins more effectively than those that are synthetically produced or heavily processed. The advantage of natural proteins doesn't stop there. Natural proteins also provide a wide range of essential amino acids. Now, if you're wondering what these amino acids do, they're the building blocks of protein in the body and are crucial for muscle growth and repair. The body can't produce all of these essential amino acids on its own, so we must get them from our diet. Natural proteins, such as those found in meat, fish, eggs, and dairy, contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein source. But what if you're vegetarian or vegan? Don't worry, there are plenty of plant-based sources of natural proteins as well. Foods like quinoa, lentils, chickpeas, and a variety of nuts and seeds are rich in protein and can help you achieve your muscle growth goals. Moreover, natural proteins are packed with other nutrients that are beneficial for overall health. They contain vitamins and minerals like iron, zinc, and B vitamins, necessary for energy production and immune function. Plus, they often come with healthy fats and fiber, which can aid in digestion and keep you feeling full, assisting in maintaining a healthy weight. So it's clear that natural proteins offer a host of benefits when it comes to muscle growth. They're easily absorbed, provide all the essential amino acids, and come loaded with other health-promoting nutrients. Therefore, if you're looking to build muscles, incorporating natural proteins in your diet is a great way to go. We've learned quite a bit about proteins and muscle growth today, haven't we? Let's take a moment to circle back and touch on the key points we've uncovered in our journey today. Firstly, we highlighted the crucial role that proteins play in our bodies. They're not just there for show, folks. Proteins are the building blocks of life, involved in nearly every cellular function. From acting as enzymes to speeding up chemical reactions, to being antibodies that fight off foreign invaders, proteins do it all. But they truly shine when it comes to muscle growth, Our muscles are essentially made of proteins. Every time we pump iron, go for a run, or even just take a brisk walk, we're causing tiny tears in our muscle fibers. It's proteins that rush in to repair these tears, building them back up stronger and bigger than before. That's how our muscles grow. So it's safe to say that without proteins, our journey towards muscle growth would be like trying to build a skyscraper with no bricks. Now, where do we get these proteins from? That's where natural proteins come into play. Natural proteins are those found in whole foods like lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy products, legumes, and nuts. These are complete proteins, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids our bodies can't make on their own. And the benefits of natural proteins don't stop there. They also come with a host of other nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. Plus, they're free from the added sugars and artificial ingredients often found in processed protein products. So not only do they aid in muscle growth, but they also contribute to overall health and well-being. But remember, balance is key. While proteins are vital, our bodies also need carbohydrates and fats in the right proportions. So ensure your diet is well balanced with plenty of natural proteins to help you along your muscle growth journey. Remember, for muscle growth, proteins are your best friend, and natural proteins are even better. So include them in your diet and see the change for yourself.